Now, at what rate percentage per annum compound interest will rupees 5,000 amount to rupees 5832 in 2 years? So we have the amount, we have the principal, we have the time period. We have to calculate the rate of interest. So we have the amount, that is equal to rupees 5832, equal to, we have the principal, that is 5,000 into 1 plus, we have to calculate the rate of interest, and we also have the n, that is equal to 2. So I've put everything in the formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 2. So we have to calculate the rate of interest. So we have 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 2 is equal to 5832 upon 5,000. So this also comes out to be 729 upon 625. Now if you guys realize here, 729 is the square of 27, whereas 625 is the square of 25. So we have 27 by 25 whole square. So we have 1 plus R by 100 is equal to 27 by 25. Right? So this gives R by 100 is equal to 27 by 25 minus 1. This gives R upon 100 is equal to 2 by 25, which again gives R is equal to 200 upon 25, which is equal to 8. So the rate of interest is equal to 8% per annum. So if rupees 5,000 are taken at a rate of 8% for 2 years, the amount will result to 5832 rupees.